You can make small objects look huge by using just your iPhone, like how I'm gonna make this tiny little dinosaur look like he's roaming the forest. Hi, I'm Maggie Kirkland, and this is my wife Lacey Kirkland, and today we're going to show you how to take small little objects like this and make them look huge using your iPhone 11 or iPhone 10. So what do you need for this lesson? You're going to need a small little object like this. I'm going to recommend having it be under 2 inches tall. You're also going to need a smartphone that has multiple lenses on the back, especially ones that can zoom in, like an iPhone 11 or iPhone 10. You're also going to want to find a nice open space to give that object some context for your photo. Like in this example, I'm putting the dinosaur in the woods to make sure he looks like he's roaming the forest wild. Once you have your object and your scene selected, tap on the screen to use the 2x lens. Now compose your shot. Get the camera as low and as close to the object as possible while making sure that the camera stays focused. The lower you can get the lens, the bigger and taller this object is going to look. Once you have the scene set up, tap on the object to make sure that it's focused in the right place. There you have it! Now you can have fun too, making small little objects look huge using just your iPhone. If you love this photography tutorial, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Maggie Kirkland Photo or on YouTube at Photography Hacker. You can also find more free resources and some courses on maggiekirkland.com.
What are you looking at? Here for the fun, folks.